This is an automatic batching powder feed unit, 2 power 71 kW, capacity 2 to 4 tons per hour. Suitable for processing various poultry, livestock powder feed, it can be used in large and medium farms and feed mills. This unit has a simple layout and convenient operation. It can work continuously with high production efficiency and low energy consumption. 1 to 2 workers can operate it. This unit is equipped with an automatic batching system, which can be equipped with 2 or more raw material conveyors according to the user's formula. Automatic batching scale capacity is 2 cbm, equipped with 3 gravity sensors, 1 junction box and weighing instrument, high batching accuracy, labor saving, and high work efficiency. Users can select instrument control or PLC touchscreen control systems according to their needs. This is a screw conveyor. The power is 2.2 kW. It transports the raw materials to the hammer mill. The feeding speed can be controlled by adjusting the insertion plate, prevent the crusher from clogging and improving crushing efficiency. It is a water drop hammer mill. The power is 37 kW. Equipped with an iron remover, which effectively cleans up metal impurities in raw materials, protects the crusher from damage, and extends the service life of the machine. This machine is suitable for crushing various raw materials. The internal rotor is equipped with high-strength, wear-resistant hammers, which can get different crushing fineness by replacing screws with different apertures. The crushed material is conveyed to the silo through a screw conveyor. The silo capacity is 2 cbm, which can ensure the continuous operation of the production line. The dust removal system, composed of fans, pipes, and a cyclone, can effectively reduce the dust generated during crushing, ensure air circulation, and make the crusher work more smoothly. This screw conveyor conveys materials from the silo to the mixer, and materials that do not need crushing can be added from this feeding pot. It is a single-shaft double screw mixer. The power is 15 kW, capacity 1 ton per batch, mixing time 6 minutes per batch, mixing uniformity more than 93%, high mixing efficiency. This feed unit can be connected to a feeding line or bulk feed truck, and can also be equipped with packing equipment. Our factory has more than 30 years experience in feed machine field. If you want to learn more information about us, please visit our website or email